Example 6, suppose the number of bushels X of apples a farmer is willing to sell is given by X equals 100p minus 25, where P is the price in dollars per bushel of apples. The number of bushels X apples a grocer is willing to purchase is given by X equals negative 150p minus 655, where P is the price per bushel of apples. Find the equilibrium price. You may have heard of the law of supply and demand. Okay, that's kind of what's going on here. This is the supply right here. That's what the farmer is supplying to the grocer. This is demand. This is what the grocer is demanding. And there's an equilibrium price. So, in other words, that there's that magical price where the seller is going to use up his resources and the grocer is going to get what he wants and all that stuff. And to do an equilibrium price, you simply set the supply equal to the demand and solve, or you do a system of equations. So if we take a look at the system of equations going on here, we have X equals 100p minus 25. There's our supply equation. And we have X equals negative 150p plus 655 is the demand equation. There's our system of equations. Looking at the setup here, elimination or substitution are options. I would probably go with substitution. X equals, so it's easy enough just to substitute. We're trying to find the equilibrium price. We're trying to find that magical price P. So if I put this expression here in terms of X there, it's going to leave me with a P equation, so it's going to be exactly what I'm looking for. So negative 150p plus 655 is equal to 100p minus 25. And I'm going to move the 150 to the right, so plus 150. Move the 25 to the left, so plus 25. That gets me 680 on the left is equal to 250p on the right. So if I divide 680 by 250, we get 2.72. Right. And notice P is the price in dollars per bushel of apples, so that's $2.72. That's just an understood rounding, 2 decimal places. We got exactly what we're looking for, but if it went like 50 decimal places, go 2, because dollars and cents. So $2.72 would be the actual price. If we wanted to figure out how many apples that is, we just put 272 here and work it out. We can figure that out. They didn't ask for how many bushels we're going to actually sell, so that answers the question.